So just back in the studio. I need to get on with, I think I packed some orders yesterday. They have to get sent. I'm in the middle of making another star bag. This one's made to order, so I have like most of it cut out and stuff, but I just need to finish it. So I'm working on that, and then I got the right fabric for the leopard print one that I need to make, but I need to go around to the shop now and get some interfacing, because the fabric's kind of quite light and I just need to stiffen it a little bit. So go and do that, and then we will get on with the day. Yeah, we've got a few more orders to, I think by the end of the day I'd love to finish the black satin star bag, have the majority of the leopard print star bag done, and then I have a keyring charm that I need to make as well. So hopefully I'll get through a good bit of that now. But yeah, I'm going to run around to the shop and then I'll be back in a minute. So it's the next day, and I thought I'd just catch you up on how far I got yesterday. Yeah, so yesterday I was working through my orders for the star bags, and I got pretty far. I got the black star bag quilted, and then I got like the handle made and that kind of thing, and then I got the leopard print one quilted as well. How fun is this leopard print? It took me so long to source. This was like I think originally a dress, and yeah, I just used the fabric. Perfect leopard print. Yeah, so I am in today. I'm in over the weekend to get these bags finished and packed, so that on Monday I'm not coming in to this again. That Monday I can start like working through these bags again that we started. So yeah, I'm in to finish those bags today, which hopefully we'll just power through. Going to put on some new Charlie XCX album just came out, so I'm just going to put that on and power through. So I will catch up in a bit. Okay, it's a lot later and I'm just about to leave, but I thought I'd show you. I got both bags finished. So this is the leopard print one, and then I have the black satin one finished there as well. Okay, I'm going to head now because it's Saturday evening now. And I want to go back, and I probably have editing to do, so I'll go back and do that. Yeah, if this is your first time watching, it'd be great if you could subscribe, give this video a like. All of that stuff really helps, and I really appreciate it. I've noticed that there has been a bit of growth on this channel, which is amazing. It is a lot of time to kind of keep up with doing them, so something as easy as subscribing and liking the video actually makes such a difference. And thanks so much to everyone that's leaving me nice comments, and we're having a little chat down below. I really appreciate that too. Yeah, so I'll be in again on Monday, which will probably just be the next clip for you guys. So it's Monday today, back in the studio. I've just sent all the orders off that I could, which is great. I think I showed you last week I finished the star bag, so I've got someone coming to collect the star bag today, and then this was a made to order item as well, like a custom order of this bag charm that I made, so there'll be someone coming to collect that this week too. Okay, so my plan today is going to continue on making those bags. I want to get them done by the end of the week, so that is what we're working on today. Good morning, it is Friday today. I've just headed out to film some of my new bags. So yeah, I've just come out to film these two. That's just my own bag there. So yeah, I've just come out to film these two new bags for the studio, so I can make all my reels and everything like that. So it's Tuesday. Sorry it's so noisy, but mornings here there's a lot of noise on the street that I'm on, so there's like trucks outside and I've got the kettle on, but anyway. So today I'm starting by, I've got a few orders to pack. This bag has been ordered. One of the towel bags with the charm. Let me show you what that looks like. Yeah, so this bag has been ordered, so we're gonna get that packed up. And then also one of the star bags, one of these. So I'll need to get that down now, figure out which one it is, and get that down. It's either one of these, I made two, so I just need to figure out which one it is. Yes, I'm going to spend the morning making the gift bags and then packing orders, and hopefully get that done within the next kind of hour and a half. And then we'll run right into the post office. So here are the two bags I just came out to film. These are both sold, so I'm going to go in and pack these now, but I thought it would just be cute to film them before I send them off. Okay, I've just packed up both of those orders for the Fits Everything bag and the star bag, so they're ready to go. And now I have one more order for some patches, so I'm going to get that sent now. I don't get as many orders for patches anymore. I think it's because I haven't updated my patches in so long. It's something I really should do because people like to get them for like upcycling bits. So we're going to find what patches have been ordered. Here's my big box of the very few patches that I have left. To look at my phone to see exactly which ones were ordered. I just realised I literally have like 10 patches left online, so okay, I really do need to update my patch game. These are the two that are ordered, one of my smile ones and then this kind of marbled velvet one of like a window. So we're going to get them packed up together. And that is that order ready to go. Good morning, it is, what day is it? Wednesday today. And I'm just getting stuff ready for a sale that I'm doing on my website. So basically I have so much, let me just put you down. Yeah, so I have so much stuff from my archive that hasn't even been put online. So I've gone through everything, and everything that I want to have in like my archive sample sale I've put aside. I now need to photograph it all and get it online. I'm not sure when this video will be up, but it might already be online, and I'll link the sale below. But I'll show you a bit of the stuff that is going up, and then I'm going to get into, basically I'm going to have to photograph everything, and then I want to put the sale up Friday, so it's Wednesday today, so, but I'm also going away at the weekend, so I'm going to basically try and get as much editing as I can done. I think I usually do like, I'll take a product photograph and cut out so it's like the white background, which takes forever, so I might just for the sale just leave the background as it is. Anyway, so when I was going through, I have so many collars that are not online. Some of these aren't going to be in sale but just need to be photographed. So I'll tell you what's sale and what's not. So that is kind of new, so that won't be in the sale. That will be just up as like new arrival. That is also new arrival. This is archive, so that's going to go up and be in the sale. New arrival. This is pretty similar, but it's a bit more padded. That's also new arrival. also new arrival. And then this is like a sample piece, so that is going to be in the sale. So I need to get all of these collars photographed. I usually do them in the light box. While it's daylight now, I'm going to do everything that I need to shoot on the wall behind me, and then we'll get back to these. So find somewhere to hang. Okay, then what else do we have to photograph? I have all these bits that are properly archive pieces. So these are headbands from, I think, maybe 2018-19. So they're all going to be in the archive sale. And then I have all these little charms that aren't online, and they're all going to be in the sale. So yeah, and then I have one pin cushion. I used to make pin cushions a lot. So that will be in the sale. So I need to photograph all of that stuff. Again, that can all be done in the light box. Okay, and then I have lots of bits hanging here that I need to photograph. So let's put you there and I'll show you. So I have these trousers. They'll be in the sale. I think they were from spring summer last year. Of these trousers from spring summer 22, I think. I have this dress, which I think was spring summer last year. That will be in the sale. This lace skirt just needs to be photographed, put online, because I haven't photographed that yet. And I need to photograph these to put them online, so neither of these will be sale, they'll just be online. Same with this piece, that just needs to be photographed, go online. This will be in the sale. It's like an upcycled skirt that I made a few years back, so that'll be in the sale. This little pleated skirt, that will also be in the sale. That's got like my screen printed details. This skirt with the embellished patch, that is from autumn winter 22. This skirt from, I don't even know what collection, a long time ago when I was doing way more digital printing, which I need to get back into doing. That'll be in the sale. And then this little sample star bag will probably be in the sale as well. Yeah. And then dresses. This top from spring summer 22. This is all sale. Oh no, this is going to stay in my archive because it's been kind of worn quite a lot for different shoots. This dress is going to be in the sale. This was spring summer 22 and I was doing loads of patchwork using like vintage towel fabrics. This little mini dress, it's one of my favourite ones, I think. Just the colour combination. Again, that's going to be in sale. And then I've got a few bits up there, skirts and stuff that are in the sale that I've already photographed, so I won't get them down right now. But yeah, so I'm going to spend the next while, I kind of move this mirror out of the way and I photograph behind it. So that's my plan for the next few hours.